Welcome to Crossplane Nation. Today we're going to do an oil change on a 2009 Harley 1200 Custom. First thing you want to do is, if you look underneath the bike right here, you'll see this drain hose. You want to take the clamp off. That's where you're going to drain the oil. I couldn't get a traditional drain pan, so I took and made my own. I just took a 5-quart container, cut it down, and you can see it'll slide up underneath there. You're probably going to get about 2.5 quarts that drain out, and then I'll just drain that back into a regular container. I'm going to locate this guy right here, pop that up, rotate it around. That'll help drain that oil a little bit faster. All right, we're going to loosen the clamp. While that oil is draining, we're going to go ahead and take off oil filter here. Picked up a set of these oil filter wrenches off of Amazon. I'll put a product link in the video description. All right, we're going to go ahead and take this filter off. See how easy it is with these oil filter wrenches. I like to spray a little bit of degreaser down there, and then we'll put the new filter back on. We're going to replace the old filter with a K&N 170C. Plus it'll have the nut here. That way I don't have to use those oil wrenches. A couple things I like to do before I install the new oil filter. I like to take a little bit of the oil that I'm using, run it along the rubber gasket. And we're also going to be using this Amsoil 2050. It does meet the Harley specs. I'm going to take the oil filter and I'm going to pour just a little bit of oil in there. Looks like the oil's done draining. We're going to go ahead and put the plug back on. Don't forget about the clamp. Fill it up. We're ready to put the oil in the bike. It's going to take 2.8 quarts of oil. Thanks for watching.